Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back. Thanks for tuning in to my channel. I got a couple boxes in today, and I wanted to go ahead and open these for you guys. You probably possibly have seen them before, might not be anything new, but I wanted to open these boxes on camera. So I've got, this is the Team Transport H case. And then this is the Matchbox. This has a U code on it. I know that they're not using that. That's still left over from 2019. They just kept going for 2020, and so now they're on U. But we'll open this box as well. So this is Matchbox. This is Hot Wheels. Let's open this one first. I got these cases from J-Car, and I'll put a link down below if you want to link to his store. So if you want to order some of these or look at the other stuff that he's got, he's really fast on shipping when he gets it in. He's an awesome dude to deal with. All right, so here we go. So number 21 is going to be the Mercedes-Benz 300 SL and the Euro hauler, the IW Racing, with that beautiful Mercedes 300 SL in there. Here's number 19. So this is a 69 Ford Mustang Boss 302 and the retro rig. That looks really good too. I'm really excited about that one. It's probably my favorite out of this case. Volkswagen Classic Bug and the Volkswagen Transporter T1 pickup. Moon Eyes livery. Looks pretty good. It's number 22. And this should be number 20, which is the 2016 Ford GT Race and the Ford C800 in a Castrol livery. So those are real nice. Those look real good. And let's do the Matchbox. So we've got the Ram Work truck, the 2015 Mercedes-Benz G550 in purple, and the 2018 Ford Mustang convertible in blue. Here's the Audi R8, 2014 Range Rover Evoque, and the Ford F550 Super Duty. Those all look good. The 1935 pickup, the 63 Austin Healey Roadster, and the 85 Porsche 911 Rally. The 95 Nissan Hardbody, the Cropmaster, and the another Ford F550 Super Duty. There's two of the 76 Honda CVCC to become the Civic. good. And another Ford F550. MBX Flatbed King. 59 Dodge Coronet police car. This thing is awesome. And the Garbage King. Those look good. There's 3 of the Polaris Razors. And 3 of the Volkswagen The Beetle convertible. So that's it. Those are the boxes. Alright, so I think some of the highlights for this Matchbox case is going to be the Porsche 911 Rally, the Audi R8, which is a big star in this case, the Nissan Hardbody, that one's also excellent. The Dodge Coronet is really great. Honda Civic is a well-made model. The Range Rover looks good. The Beetle is actually well done. That looks pretty good. The Mercedes, people like the G-Wagon. Purple's kind of weird. I like having a flatbed King so you can have your realistic stuff. Alright guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and do that. And you can check out some of my playlists and my unboxings for all the 2020 mainlines.